take a class for this Oracle, whatever is remaining, and then we will jump onto this security side. Okay. So let me just click on start sharing option now. Okay. So let me open that whatever the topics were remaining in this one. When we talk about, give me like a second right now, 1 second. Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The kids are shouting, so I just close the door. Okay. So now, like SQL thing, we have discussed about these topic, right? This one, different objects we have discussed, views we have discussed, and synonyms we have discussed, sequences we have discussed. Okay, MVUs we have to discuss, indexes we have to discuss. Okay, these are what? These are a database object. Okay, all these are what? A database objects. And then after all this thing, before we end this SQL, one more important thing is there, that is called data dictionary. How we will go and see complete dictionary of the table, whatever we have created, right? Integrity constant we have created, joins we have created, views we have created, synonyms we have created. For example, like indexes, MViews, everything we can able to view in data dictionary. Dictionary. Okay. Data dictionary. Once let me put it here. This dictionary everything is wrong. Okay, I think dictionary. Okay, data dictionary. Mujahid bhai, there now? Did he came
Yeah,
Mujahid?
yeah.
Okay, so data dictionary. Okay, I think the spelling is getting wrong now. Okay, so we'll see now what do you mean by like MViews. Okay, MViews, once let me just check whether I'm just click on like recording option or not. It is getting recorded. Yes, it is getting recorded. Okay, MViews means suppose you are putting some food in the freeze. Okay, and then you can able to use it whenever you want. You will simply take that food and then you are like you want, if you want to use some food or some like material, what you will do, you will put in the stock, and then like whenever you want you will take it and then you will use it. Okay, so this will be used for like a performance purpose. Okay, so how we'll see it practically, we'll see it now with the example. Okay, let me show you here. Command prompt SQL plus slash no log. Okay, okay, connect sys as once again as sys dba. Okay, sys. Okay, now let's just open one table which I have created. Select star from, for example, I have created one table called EMP 500, for example. Okay, this is the table. Okay, employee name, salary, department number, all these things are there. Okay, I have got two department 10, two departments 20, third department is 30. Okay, now what I will do is I will try to do group by clause. Applying what? Group by clause to this table. Once I apply this group by clause, I want it to get it fixed. Whenever I update any value, it should be stored with some name. Okay, and then whenever I want, I will simply use it. Like example, you are putting some food item in the freezer. Okay, and whenever you want, you are simply taking it and then you are using it. Like example, I am doing on the group by clause, applying the group by clause. Okay, select. Okay, select department number. Okay, department number, comma salary. Okay, sum of salary. For example, I want to see sum of salary here. Give me like a second now here. Okay, sum of salary. Okay, sum of salary from which table did I have created on? EMP 500 table I have created. Okay, then what I'm doing? Group by clause I'm applying. Group by what I'm doing? Group by department number. Suppose if I put it here like this, whatever is the department number, calculate based upon that, I will get a result like this. For 30 department, I'll get only one value. For like a 20 department, I got like two values. For like a 10 department, I got like two values. Counting this one, 5,000 plus 3,000 equal to 8,000 in 10 department. Okay, when I update this one, 400 plus 600, 10,000. Okay, that is in 20 department. And when I'm looking for the third department, 3,000, only one department, that is like a one guy. Now if I wanted to update my salary, now what I will do, I will apply the materialized view on this one. How I will apply, I'm showing you now. Okay, create materialize, ME, 1 second, MA materialize. Okay, spelling should be right, MATERIALIZE. Okay, materialize, materialize. Okay, view. Okay, view. I am putting any name. For example, I am putting here MJ. Okay, Mujahid bhai. Okay, MJ. I'm just creating a materialized view name as MJ, for example. Okay, and then I'm clicking what as select, and now I'm putting what, selecting the same value, selecting the department. Okay, department number I'm giving here, comma, sum of comma sal, whatever I did it here like the same way from table number EMP 500. Okay, EMP name was our 500. Okay, then what I'm doing the same way like this, group by what I did, group by department number, DEPT number. Okay, now I created my materialized view. Materialized view got created. Once it got created, the materialized view, if I click here like this, okay, if I click here like this, select star from, if I put it MJ for example, automatically this value, okay, this we have applied the materialized view. Okay, now if I update the value, now here if I update the value, whether the value get updated here or not, we'll see it now. Okay, I'm updating the value now. Update EMP 500. Okay, updating the EMP 500. Set what value I'm setting? All the value 10, 20, 30 department I'm increasing by 1000 rupees for example. Okay, sal equal to, okay, sal plus, okay, sal plus 1000 for example. Okay, set EMP 500, sal equal to 500 for example. If I am doing like this, all 5 rows get updated. Okay, all 5 rows get updated, but when I'm looking like this, the value, whether it is getting updated, no, it didn't get updated. So for that we have to apply some, refresh the materialized view. Once we refresh the materialized view, automatically the value, all values will get what, updated. How I am updating the materialized view? Execute, execute, execute. What I am doing now? DBMS underscore mview, okay, and mview dot refresh, refresh. What do I have to refresh? Refresh the value of mj1. This is what the, sorry, mj is a materialized view, right? Refreshing the materialized view value. If I click it like this, it will show PLSQL procedure successfully completed. Now if I wanted to do now, select star from MD8, our all value got updated. 3000 become 4000. Are you guys getting now? Value got updated successfully. 1000, how many people are there? That many people got 1000 incremented. Are you noticing now what is happening here? Mujahid bhaiya, Namer, any questions?
मगर इसमें वैल्यू 12,000 हो गई ना।
देखो ये जो टेबल दिख रहा ना आपको, ये जो टेबल दिख रहा ना एमजे बोल के, ये ग्रुप बाई क्लॉज बनाए बाद से अपने को ये टेबल आ गया ना भाई। ये टेबल ये एग्जीक्यूट करने से पहले अपने को ऐसा आ रहा था टेबल ये, राइट। पहले तो अपन अपडेट करें वैल्यू, हर एक आदमी का 1000 रुपीज अपडेट करें। ये 20 में कितने लोग हैं? 2 लोग हैं ना 20 में। ये 10 में एक ही आदमी है, चलो मतलब 10 में 2 जने हैं, 20 में 2 जने हैं, 30 में खाली एक ही आदमी है। अपन एग्जीक्यूट करें तो क्या हो गया, वो अपडेट होके नीचे देखो वैल्यू अपडेट हुई, 3 की 4000 हो गई, 30 का खाली एक ही आदमी था 4000 हो गया, 20 के 2 लोग थे 12000 हो गए, 30 के 2 लोग थे, मतलब 30 के कितने लोग थे, 30 का खाली एक ही आदमी था 30 का, जो कि 1000 ऐड हो गया। आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा? अब मैं मिसाल के तौर पे फिर से अपडेट करता हूँ, ठीक है। अब आप देखो मैं फिर से अपडेट कर रहा हूँ। अगर मैं अपडेट करा फिर से, पूरे ऑल लोगों के वैल्यू अपडेट हो गए, लेकिन अगर मैं फिर से जाके MJ1 मारा, सेम वैल्यू दिख रही है मेरे को, तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, एग्जीक्यूट फिर से करता हूँ। किसको एग्जीक्यूट करता हूँ? इसको। कहाँ गया वो मेरा एग्जीक्यूट का कमांड? एक मिनट, एग्जीक्यूट फिर से करता हूँ। जब फिर से एग्जीक्यूट करा मैं ये क्वेरी, अगेन अगर मैं फिर से MJ1 मारा, ऑटोमेटिकली अपडेट हो गया वैल्यूज। अब देखो MJ1 की वैल्यू क्या हो गई, ऑटोमेटिकली अपडेट हो गई। हर एक आदमी को 1000 रुपीज फिर से ऐड हो गए फिर से। समझ में आ रहा? तो MJ व्यू क्या है, मतलब आप एक खाने का सामान फ्रीजर में रखे, जब चाहे जब आपको इस्तेमाल करना है आप गए, जाके ले लिए, यूज कर लिए। Did you getting understand now? And then whenever you finish the work, just put it back again, you are taking